Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Facebook notifications and want to know how to disable messaging push notifications for your page on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the steps have changed a bit. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Next, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Now, you're in the main settings area for your page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Find and click on Notifications. This section lets you customize how and when you receive alerts from Facebook. Within the Notifications menu, locate and click on Messaging. This is where you can control notifications specifically related to messages your page receives. Here's the important part. Look for the Push option. This controls whether your browser or device sends you instant pop-up notifications when you receive new messages on your page. To disable these, simply toggle the switch next to Push so it turns off. And that's it. You've now successfully disabled messaging push notifications for your Facebook page on your PC. This means you'll no longer get those instant alerts popping up every time someone sends a message to your page, giving you more control over your notifications and helping you stay focused. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.